Hey everyone, Nate here with Outside Cleaners. I'm on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where it's getting to be later November, and as I do each year at this time, I'm spending several weeks doing nothing but cleaning gutters. The idea is, I can get them clean when the leaves have fallen, but before the weather gets so cold that things freeze, because once clogged gutters are frozen, it really becomes very, very difficult to clean them. So I'm maxed out for the next few weeks. I've only got 2 hands, sometimes 4 when my teenager helps me. But my point is, there's a short window of opportunity and I am maxed out, as I always am, and I'm grateful for it. Here's why I'm making this video. What happens on a daily basis now is people call asking if I can clean the gutters. I say, no, I'm maxed out. They ask me who I recommend, and other than the great big, really expensive gutter cleaning company that services the Cape and the South Coast, I don't know who to recommend, because look, I look around, I see ads for gutter cleaning services. I see, curb signs, and I see things on Craigslist and Facebook. And here's what happens. I call these numbers that I see. I say, hey, I'd love to refer to you. Do you have liability and workers' comp? Nope, they never do. So a couple things. If you're seeing this video and you clean gutters in the Cape Cod area and you have appropriate liability and appropriate workers' comp insurance for gutter cleaning work, meaning like ladder work. I'm not talking about a painter's policy or something like that, which isn't the same and isn't enough. If you offer the service and you're fully insured for this and you're looking for work, let me know. I'll be happy to refer to you. Secondly, if you're a homeowner looking to hire somebody, the first question is not how much. The first question is, are you appropriately covered with liability and workers' comp? Because if an accident happens on your property and somebody's badly injured and they don't have any good financial options, you are their financial option. You will get sued. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody. Hope you're well. Bye.